Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. We were solving Leetcode top interview 150 questions and today we will solve the problem H index. So let's read the problem statement. So we are being given an array of integer citations where citation I is the number of citation a researcher received for their ith paper. Return the researcher's H index. So what is H index? H index is defined as the maximum value of H such that the given researcher has published at least H paper that has been cited at least H times. So let's try to see one example. In this example, the H index is 3 because this researcher have at least 3 paper which have at least 3 citations. That means 3, 6 and 5. So number of paper is 3 and each have at least 3 citations. So how we can approach this problem? What I can think of is if we sort this array, so what will be this array become? It will be 0 1 3 6 5. Sorry, 3 5 6. Now see, we come here, it is 0. So it will start from 0. The default index will be 0. Now we come to here. Now is this citation is greater than the remaining papers. So that means if what we have to say that if H index is 1, so does there are paper that that researchers have at least one paper and have at least one citation? Yes, definitely. So therefore 1 can be a possible H index. Now come to 3. Is there are at least 3 paper where each paper have at least citation 3? Yes, so therefore 3 can also be a possible value. Now come to 5. Is there 5 can be a possible value if there are at least 5 paper. Is there any 5 paper left? No, so therefore 5 cannot be a possible value. Now let's say it becomes 30, 50 and 60. This can be also a possible scenario. Now come to here. Let's see 0 1 30. Like what is the remaining paper left? It is 3. Okay, and does 3 paper have at least 3 citation? Yes, so therefore it can be a possible H index. So the H index will be minimum of the citation or the remaining items. Since this will be a shorted array, so therefore every paper to the right will be greater than this value. So therefore it will be a minimum of the remaining items or the citation. So let's start coding. So we will be having an variable H index which will be 0. Let's short the arrays dot short citations, and let's start the loop. It will be go to citations dot length I plus plus. Now what will be the remaining papers length? If we are in this index, which is index 2, length is 5, so 5 minus 2 is 3, so we will get this length. So therefore citations dot length minus I. Now we have to see the condition. If citation is greater than the remaining items, if citations dot length is greater than remaining papers, okay, equal to or greater than, okay, that means 30 is greater than 3. Yes, definitely. So therefore what we will update, we'll update the h index. It will be that math.max will be h index or remaining papers. This should be greater than the remaining items, because then only we can be sure that okay, that the remaining papers will have at least the value of this one. It will be the h index, that okay, remaining paper is 3 and all that paper have at least 3 citations. Ultimately we will return the h index. Alright, let's try to run it. Something is wrong. What is wrong? 5 3. So citations, sorry, not, it should be not length, it should be I. Silly mistake. Yeah, so the test cases are accepting. Let's try to submit it. Perfect, it's getting accepted. So this was the problem of h index. We just have to short it and we have to check that okay, if we encounter a value which is greater than equal to the remaining paper, so therefore the length of the remaining paper can be a possible h index. I hope you have understand. Keep practicing. See you in the next video.